So this is the Beetles artificial nail extension set. These are a set of 500 pieces of nails, different sizes which you can suit to your finger. They are supposed to be lasting for like good 21 days or more. So what all you receive, you have this user manual. These are the nail tips. As I said, 500 of them and different sizes which you can choose from. You also get this nail curing lamp, the nail glue, and charger for the nail lamp. Things first, we got to charge the nail lamp, or you can just plug it into an electric socket. It's ready to be used. So guys, see, these are the nails. And you have 500 of these. These are chip resistant, flexible, already pre-shaped, so you need not file them as well. All you need to do is like place them on your finger and just check the right size. Right, so we got to place it and see which finger this kind of fits well. So I'm going to show you on one finger so that you can also compare how this looks like. So I'm going to take a little bit of glue, place it on the root, not the tip, and just squeeze it this way. I'm just gonna press it for a few seconds. If you think the length is too much for you, you need to buy a nail clipper like this and shorten it. I just like it long. Next, I'm gonna place it under the lamp and cure it so the glue gets dried. So guys, this is how this looks like, but if you are a colored nail paint lover, you may apply here we go guys.